Or what?
Or, well, just give it back.
Are you threatening me, Metal Mouth?
No, just give it back. You can't just steal things from me.
Unfortunately for you, my pig ugly friend, that is exactly what I can do. In fact, I can do anything I like in this place. Anything at all. Ciao, Spotty.
Give it back.
And you should stay out of the girls' dorm, you little perv. I see you undressing me with your eyes, sicko.
You wish.
Please, will you help me?
Do I have to?
Yes, it's vital. She's stolen my lab notes. Without them, I'm gonna fail chemistry and I'll never get into med school. Now I won't find the cure for cancer. Basically, the future of the whole world rests on those notes.
What's in it for me?
Well, if you get them back, I'll kiss you.
Oh, that's okay.
Oh, okay, but if you don't, I'll tell the whole school you're some kind of sad sicko who spies on girls getting changed in their dorm.
Relax. One set of lab notes coming up. Hey, Gary. I need to get something from Mandy's locker.
I'm not surprised. You know, you should put a stink bomb in there. It'd be funny. Get one from Fatty. He knows everything about stinking. You think you're tough, idiot?
I wonder what everyone is talking about this.
You just bumped into me! You alright? Sure, I'll be your henchman, but I require loot first. No purple nurple! You're just a bully! I'll get you, Mayo Stain! You'll be prosecuted to the max. I wonder if I won't stop until you are apprehended. Let a real man show you. I will beat you. I am going to beat you. He's out working. I bet you're gonna. All right. You want a piece of me? Not too bad. What did I just step on? Why do I get so nervous around boys? I can't tell Mom about that at all. She'd be so mad. I heard you like art class.
No, you can't.
okay?
Am I handsome? Yes.
Here you go.
Oh, Jimmy, thank you. You're wonderful.
All right, let's do it.
I hope it gets easier.
I always knew I could do it.
Lawyer's better than your lawyer. Hi. Watch out. There you are. Hi.
Hey, Beatrice, what's wrong?
Two things. Firstly, my cold sores are totally acting up
What?
again.
Ew, gross.
Secondly, Mr. Hattrick saw me writing in my diary during class, and he took it and he locked it in his desk. And he says he's going to give it to the principal tomorrow. If anyone sees what's in there, I will just die. It's really personal.
Yeah, well, nothing like having the whole school know your deepest secrets. Makes your teenage years go by in a flash.
Yeah, well, you'll soon find out.
Me? Why?
In the diary, I talk a lot about you and me.
What? There is no you and me.
Yeah, there is. See, first you rescued my notes from Mandy, and then we fell in love, and you brought me flowers, and wrote me poetry, and showed this kinder, sensitive side that soon the whole world is gonna know about. We're like doomed lovers.
Enough. Okay, I'll get your book back.
Then we can kiss. The cold sores aren't contagious once they start to scab over. Yes, I was a student at Bulworth before becoming the renowned brain surgeon that I am today.
Gotta be someone to beat. I will beat you for that. You're coming with me. What are you doing here? This morning, I woke up and said, I'm going to Puma Hopkins today.
Move, nerd!
Hello, Original. Call me a nerd. What next? 4 eyes? Sticks and stones may break my bones, but words will never hurt me.
Alright, you ass boy.
What's this? Class president.
Class president, dummy. It says class president.
know.
That's you?
I'm the most suitable candidate I know.
Yeah, so's your mom. Yeah, right.
Don't forget to wipe. How's the campaign, Ernest?
You'll vote for me, won't you?
Yeah, not a chance.
What if I pay you?
Pay me? Now you're talking.
I always knew I was a born leader.
Yeah, but unless you buy everyone's vote, you're never gonna win. Because they are definitely gonna ruin your speech at the debate.
Unless I had a security manager. Oh, please, please,
I don't know.
please,
Security
please,
managers, they cost
please.
a lot of money.
Oh, I have money. I can pay you.
Good. I've always been a politician at heart.
friend? Welcome. I won't mince words, my friends. This school needs help.
Why do you even try?
My help. How many of you out there feel
What's up, maggot?
abused by society? Let down by the establishment? Brutalized?
Not good enough.
I feel your pain, my children. Do not despair. Salvation is here, my friends.
You want me to whip you, huh?
By choosing me as your leader, we will usher in a new era of education.
You suck.
Abusive prefects, gone.
Sit and spit.
Lackluster teaching, gone. Physical education, gone. Ouch! Schoolwork will be the model for a pure academic curriculum. Money no longer wasted in silly amusements. My opponent would have you believe that sports are more meaningful for your future than decent textbooks and competent teachers. What have sports done for you? Caused pain and misery. While my opponent may also be more popular, good-looking and muscular, and have the attention of school bimbos.
Beauty. I've got your pound cake right here.
Just doesn't have what it takes to be president. There are some who claim I don't represent the masses. Let me tell you, I've been beat up just as much as you. It's time to change for the better. A vote for Ernest
Why do you
is a
even
vote
try?
for the triumph of brains over brawn. In closing, remember, a vote for E means a vote for me. Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Jimmy comes through again.